Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain Standard 8 lesson number 3 Indices and Cube Root practice set 3.3. Students, yesterday already I explained question number 1, find out the cube roots, okay, and now we have to find out simplify question number 2. Now see children, already they given the answer and we have to find out the cube, okay, cube root, we have to find out the cube root. So see children, we have to write down here equal sign, this is must, okay. Now we have to write down this root sign, this is 3 means cube root, understood the meaning? Now 27, what is the cube root of 27? So we all know that 3 into 3 into 3, correct? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, okay. Afterward, what is the cube root of 125? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So I am writing like this, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, okay. So now this is cube root of 3 and cube root of 5. So we have to write down 3, just because of that 3 we have to write down 1 time 3, and that 3 5 we have to use only 1 time 5. So this is our answer. Understand everyone? This is the cube root of this question, okay. Now moving to the next, if cube root of 729 is 9, then cube root of 0.000729 is equal to question mark, okay. So same children, answer is nearby 9, okay, whatever the answer is there, because 729 cube root they given 9 and 729 here, okay, but some zeros are there, so that's why we have to find out. So everyone pay attention, we have to write down equal sign, okay. Now this cube root we have to use here, okay. Now 729 means 9, 729, this is cube of 9, okay. So we have to multiply 9 into 9 into 9 like this, okay. And then afterwards, before that children, we have to do one thing, we have to remove the decimal point first, okay. Now how to remove the decimal point? So when we have to remove the decimal point, so that time we have to count the 0 from back side onwards, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this point means 1, okay. So 729 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? Now the next one, we have to write down the cube root of this. 9 into 9 into 9, okay. Now what is the cube root of 1 lakh? You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, okay. What is the cube root of 10 lakh? So we know that 100 is the cube root of 10 lakh, okay. So we have to write it 9 upon 100, okay. So now write it, no need to write down this square root sign, okay. So now this is 9 upon 100, that we have to convert into decimal fraction, okay. Now this is decimal fraction, so 1 to then point. So this is our answer. Understand children? Simple and easy method, okay. Only 3 questions are there, apart from that first and third I solved on the board. Now only second question is remaining. Try it at home, and if you have any queries related to that, so comment in my box. If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.